Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Have you seen those viral baby AI dance video all over TikTok, Reels or Short? Today I will show you how to make one yourself. It's super easy, 100% free, and it only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. First, you need an app that called TrimFace. If you don't have it yet, just download TrimFace from the Google Play Store, and then after installing, just log in using your Google account. It's very simple. And then don't worry about the payment. TrimFace has a free plans and give you weekly free credits, so you can try this without paying anything. And once you're logged in, you will land on the home page like this, and then on here just simply tap on Trim Act, this one. This is the feature we will use to create the AI animations. And then inside the Trim Act, just select baby funny or funny baby, this one, just tap on it like this. This is the most popular options and perfect for making cute and funny baby dance video. In here you can either choose one of the reference video or just upload your own video reference. If you want a specific dance styles, just tap on change reference, this one. You can just upload your own video reference if you want, and then or you can also just use this original one, this one. But make sure if and then next just upload your baby photo that you want to animate like this. And then And then for the tips, make sure the face of your baby is clear, well lit, and facing forward for the best result. And then after selecting the photo, just simply tap on create. You will see that TwinFace will give you two free generations for this feature. So yes, you can generate it for free. Just tap on create like this, and then wait for the process. And okay, like this, your baby AI dance animations is ready. The and I think it's looks so cool. The movement and then facial expressions and the dance. It looks super cute, but it's so realistic. It looks so cool. And okay, that's how easy it is to make a viral baby AI dance video for free using TwinFace. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.